With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. What is concurrency? Explain how concurrency is handled with the help of suitable example. What is need of inheritance adjustment in system design? Explain how inheritance adjustment can be performed with the help of an example. Map the objective class created in question 2 above into database tables and make necessary assumptions. So we have no here question 2, but in the previous video we have. Now question number 8, write short notes on the following minimum 300 words, mapping designs to code, collaboration diagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you need answer, contact us.